Hello and welcome to this course. This course will help you become an expert at Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales. My name is Abhay Sharma. I am the founder of online CRM training and Learn MS Dynamics, one of the fastest growing Microsoft Dynamics training platforms online, and I will be your instructor for this course. As you know, just learning technology is not enough. Similarly, just learning to pass a certification is also not enough. So, what must be your goal? Well, it should be to first learn, then get your hands dirty by practicing on technology platform or software, and then prepare for certification. So you don't miss any success component. Makes sense, right? That's why this course is designed for you to learn and prepare for MB-210 certification, which is Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales, through practical videos and the exam preparation book. So let's see what you can expect in this course. The first thing is about Dynamics 365 sales basics. So if you have no idea what Dynamics 365 sales is and you are not sure about the business terminologies, then this is the perfect place to start. So first we will cover the basics of Dynamics 365 sales and we'll discuss the important terminologies. It means I am going to explain you what are the terms that you must be aware of before you can actually start learning and working on Dynamics 365 sales. Plus, I'm going to explain you the relevance of each term with respect to business. So you will understand the business scenarios, you will understand why a specific term is used in Dynamics 365 and how it relates to business scenarios. So in this section, you will learn about the basics, important terms, and how these terms are related to business. Then I will show you how you can sign up for Dynamics 365 sales. Now this is important because once you start learning, you need to practice what you're learning, right? So you must have access to Dynamics 365 sales trial. So Microsoft provides a 30-day free trial which you can sign up and you don't need to pay anything. You can use the software for free for 30 days. Plus you also have a chance to extend the trial for another 30 days and that's something we'll discuss in this tutorial. So you will learn as per the MB-210 Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales exam curriculum. So the first topic is perform configuration. In that you will learn about configuring settings. So when you want to implement Dynamics 365 for a client, you need to first configure certain areas of Dynamics 365 sales and then only you can ask your customer or users to start using the application, right? So these are the basic configuration that you must be aware of and you must do it before your client actually start using the application. So the first thing we'll talk about configuring sales territories and hierarchical sales territories. So if your client has divided their sales structure in territories and they have a manager for each territory, then this is the place you need to configure those territories and assign managers and the team members. So we'll discuss about it. Then you will learn about default revenue type. So in Dynamics 365, there are two ways you can calculate revenue. Either you can calculate revenue from the products and services that you select in the Dynamics 365 opportunity lines, or you can define the revenue as per your requirement. So maybe you want user to manually enter revenue, which is estimated revenue. So we'll discuss about revenue types and also how you can configure default revenue type. Then you will learn how to configure auto number settings. So auto number allows system to automatically generate number for each document that you create. This is applicable for quotation, orders, invoices. So you will learn how to configure auto numbers for these entities and how you can use it in Dynamics 365. So we'll discuss about that. Then you will learn how to configure business closures. So for every company, there is a calendar for holidays, for days where the company is not working. So you don't want your staff to get scheduled in those business closed days. Now this functionality is more focused on customer service because you have customer service representatives who support customers and they are scheduled to resolve issues. But Microsoft has mentioned this in the sales certification curriculum. So we'll discuss about it and I'm going to show you how you can define business closures. Then you will learn how to configure fiscal year. So fiscal year allows you to define the period, and that can be used for reporting purpose. We'll discuss more about it in this section. Then you will learn how to configure currencies. Now Dynamics 365 allow companies to have transactions and do business in multiple currencies. So there can be one default currency or base currency, but you can still configure multiple currencies. So we'll discuss about it. Then you will learn how to configure sales team roles. Then you will learn about sales security roles. So they are default out of the box security roles available when you sign up for Dynamics 365 sales. Then you will learn about goal management components. So you can define goal for each salesperson and sales managers, and then you can keep track of how much they have already achieved as per their target and how much is remaining. So that's something is configured in this section. Then you will learn about creating and managing sales collaterals. So we'll be discussing more on the sales literature. It's basically that group of documents that your sales team need for effectively selling and getting the information quickly to close more sales. Then you will learn how to configure relationship cards or sales insight cards. So previously the sales insight cards were called relationship cards. So if you see in your exam or read somewhere about relationship card, it is now sales insight cards. And there was something called relationship assistant, which is now called sales insight assistant. This is a very important thing to know. This basically allows users to work effectively and increase productivity. So we'll discuss how you can configure the sales insight cards. Then you will learn how to configure playbook management. So playbook management is a great functionality where salespeople can launch playbooks on the specific entity for a specific record, and then system will give them the step-by-step process of activities they need to perform to achieve a specific task or target. So we'll discuss how you can configure playbook management and also how you can use it. Then you will learn how to configure soft phone dialer. So there's a solution available and you can just import the solution and configure it. And once you configure it, you can start making calls from your Dynamics 365 system, and system will capture a lot of details from that caller. So we'll discuss about soft phone dialer, how you can configure that, and then you will learn how to configure forecast management. So this is all about configuring sales. This is the first section. Then you will learn about configuring processes. So you will learn how to configure record creation rules. So when you have any incoming activities like emails, then you can configure system to create records automatically without you doing it manually. So you can define record creation rules. We'll discuss about that. Then you will learn how to configure out of the box sales business process flows. So there are few out of the box sales business process flows that you can follow. We'll discuss about them, and also we'll see the different stages each business process flow has. After that, you will learn how to create and configure sales visualization. So this section focuses more on reporting and analysis. So you will learn how to configure sales content pack for Power BI. Now Power BI is an amazing solution and it integrates with Dynamics 365 sales. So we'll see how you can configure sales content pack for PI. Then you will learn how to configure dashboards, how to design and create sales charts, and how to execute and analyze out-of-the-box sales reports. And the final section under configuration is configure integration with external sales applications. So there are a lot of add-ons and solutions available that you can integrate with Dynamics 365 sales. So first we'll discuss how you can implement Dynamics 365 AI for sales insights, how to configure and enable embedded intelligence, how you can implement social selling assistant, and also implement LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So once you complete this perform configuration section, you will be ready to configure application for your clients to use, right? So Dynamics 365 sales configuration you will learn in these sections. After that, you will start learning about managing core sales entities. It means now we get into the process where your client will be using those processes and they will perform the day-to-day transactions in that. So first is create and manage leads. So we'll see how you can create and search for leads in Dynamics 365. Plus you will also learn about business card scan feature for leads. Then you will learn how to perform lead qualifications. So we'll discuss about qualification, disqualification, and again reactivation. Now there are multiple status of leads. So we'll discuss how to configure the status reasons. and how the transition work. So I'm going to show you that. After that, the next section is create and manage opportunities. So once you're done with the leads, the next step is to convert them into opportunity or create new opportunities so that you can start generating business from your clients. So first is create and search for opportunities. Then you can also keep track of stakeholders and sales team within an opportunity. Then how to create and manage competitors, so you can keep track of them, and also if they are competing against you, you can understand what are their strengths, what are their weaknesses, and create strategies to win against them. Then you will learn how to add product line items to an opportunity so that you can add your products, services, and give it to your clients, right? Then you will learn how you can close an opportunity as won or lost, how to customize the opportunity close form. This is a great feature because the users may want to capture more information when they close any opportunity. So if the opportunity is won or if the opportunity is lost, they might want to capture their remarks, add the profitability and other areas and other important details that can be useful for future purpose. So we'll discuss how you can customize the opportunity close form. Then similar to the leads entity, we also have different status and status reasons for opportunity. We'll discuss about them in this section. And finally, we'll see how you can configure views. So after you learn about the leads and opportunities, it's time to move forward for the core process that generates revenue for the company. So first is the create and manage product and product catalog. So we'll discuss what is the product catalog and what is a product lifecycle. We'll see how you can configure unit groups, how you will measure any product or service, and how you can define that. Then you will learn how to configure price list based on different scenarios. So you can create a price list for the same product for different scenarios, right? So we'll discuss about how you can define pricing. Then what are the different pricing methods available? You will learn and you will see how you can configure. Plus I'm going to share with you an Excel sheet that can really help you understand how the pricing methods work. Then you will learn how to configure discount list in Dynamics 365. Then how to configure families and bundles in the product catalog, right? So this is all about product. Now, once you understand the product, it's time for you to move forward for quotations, right? So you can create and manage quotation. So you can create quotations either from an opportunity or manually. You can activate the quotations and send it to the customer. Then in case if customer requests any changes, then you might want to revise it. And also you will learn how to close a quote. After the quote is finalized, you can convert a quotation to order. And also you will learn how to create a Word template from a quotation, so you can design the layout the way you want and send it to your customers. After that, you will learn about the order processing. So how to create and manage orders and how to create and manage sales invoices so that you can bill your customers and book revenues in system, right? So this is all about the entire Dynamics 365 sales, which is MB-210 certification exam curriculum, and the course is designed in the same structure. So you will not only just prepare for the certification, but also you will learn in depth about each topic. Now, if you are preparing for MB-210 Dynamics 365 sales exam, then we have exam preparation book. So this is a detailed book with the screenshots and the content that is required for preparation. It's a great book for you to have the reference handy. So after you complete your video tutorials and also practice on Dynamics 365 application, it is time for you to go through the exam preparation book so you can quickly prepare for the exam. Plus, this course includes all the future changes. So any content changes that Microsoft includes or any new topics that Microsoft includes will be available in this course. So I'll keep updating this course so that you can get more out of it, and also you can prepare and pass certification. So I'm really excited to be teaching you Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales and help you prepare for MB-210 certification. So that was the basic overview of what you will learn, and now let's dive in and learn about each topic in detail.